Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to look at PartnerStack, which is the very first B2B SaaS platform designed for affiliates, partners and other resellers as well. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So guys, jumping across to the PartnerStack website, which as always is linked down below in the description. If you have a digital business or perhaps you are involved in e-commerce or something like that, then you're probably going to be looking to have other people working for you, but on a sort of commission or perhaps even a reseller basis. The benefit of that is that you don't really have much in the way of upfront costs, but you can benefit in the rewards from them performing strongly and selling well. And if you find a good solid affiliate who's going to be able to perform well, then you want to be able to reward that affiliate so that they continue to work in bringing you new customers, etc. So this is the first B2B SaaS platform that supports affiliates, referrals, reseller channels, and much more for recurring revenues. Direct sales alone are not ideal. One, because you yourself only have kind of a finite creativity in terms of how you might be acquiring customers. As well as that, you obviously have costs when it comes to acquiring new customers. But actually by looking out to affiliates, etc., they may already have an existing customer base who they can then sell to either through an Instagram platform or something like that, maybe a YouTube channel. You see that join the league of SaaS leaders. PartnerStack is the only partner management platform specialized in B2B SaaS with a built-in marketplace and payment automation system to help you recruit the right partners so you and your partners can excel. And you can see that there's a number of different customers who they've been working with here, and brands like Vimeo, pretty huge brands in general. You can see that they have won a number of different awards as well. Automate what you hate. So when it comes to digital business, anything that you can automate you should do, because there's tons and tons of stuff and there's always going to be something more to do. But by automating things, we can achieve lots more and then start to open up our minds to other ways in which we can build our businesses. There's no reason to do everything manually anymore. PartnerStack automates the most demanding parts of managing partnerships so you can focus on your company's daily high impact performance. You can find the right partners by looking through thousands of qualified B2B brands. You can onboard and enable partners in a very straightforward manner, and then you can manage them all through the one platform. You can pay partners on time every time through Stripe or PayPal, which is obviously essential. Nothing worse than not being paid on time, especially if you as an individual are running your own business or something like that. It does really put a sour taste in the mouth if someone doesn't pay you on time. That's an essential part of this. The proof is in the partnership. PartnerStack has been essential in building a scalable process for onboarding, engaging and rewarding partners with a team that supported us immensely as we've grown partnerships into a major acquisition channel. Another cool thing is you can meet the team. The team is going to be there in order to help you to build your own business. They've done it tons and tons of different times with loads of other companies, so they'll have tons of experience that they can share with you in order to develop your business strategies, and maybe even bring in ideas that you may never have considered before. You can brush up on the latest insights, tap into the library of latest thought leaders. Okay, so you can see all of these different stories from various different people within the space, and from that you can learn lots of information on how to change and how to adapt to an ever-evolving marketplace. So in terms of the platform itself, obviously you can book a demo to find out how it all works, but we're just going to look at the pricing right now. And if you go through the link down below in the description, you can be able to get this at a special offer, so make sure you go and check it out as soon as possible if you want to be able to secure a special offer on this. Pick the right plan for your SaaS growth. So there's different things that you might be interested in. You've got marketing channels so you can manage affiliates. You've got referral channels so you can drive qualified leads, reseller channels, and also multi-channel. So in order to get access to the pricing, you need to click on this form and fill in the form with all your business details, and then you're going to be able to access the pricing for it. If you want to book a demo, you've also got to do a similar thing here, but you can see recent client wins 200% year-on-year increase in partner program sales from Monday.com, 600% increase in active partners Luca, 18% of new trials driven by partners from teamwork, and then 50% company revenue driven through partnerships. Very cool, guys. Lots of cool stuff going on over here. If you click on partner program, you can see more information about the different partnerships available, and this will allow you to get various different rewards while kind of developing your business through this platform. On the marketplace, you can connect with lots of different partners in order to find the right people who are going to help you get your brand out there. And in terms of customers, here's some statistics. 78% year-on-year growth in partner acquisition, $151 million of revenue driven through PartnerStack programs this year. Growth in revenue seen by an average PartnerStack customer of 122%. So obviously, guys, very successful platform. If you're looking to branch out and establish yourself as a leader or a key player in the market, whatever industry you might be in, this is definitely something you need to come and look at. Make sure you head over to the link in the description so you can book a demo and get started with this PartnerStack program. So in summary, PartnerStack is an amazing platform where you can go to build your affiliate programs, you can build referral programs, and much more, managing it all in a very straightforward manner, enabling you to pay your customers and your clients on time with PayPal or Stripe with just the click of a button. Very important stuff. If you want to go and find out more, head over to the link in the description so you can sign up for a demo, and do that straight away because you're going to get the very best opportunity of getting a special offer through that link. As well as that, make sure you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And if you want to learn more about digital marketing products, as well as much more on how to make money online, then make sure you subscribe to the channel to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.